Well, I am delighted to have found Kelsey from Farmington Gardens, and you guys are doing the Kinderhaus, which is a great area for children that are going to be brought here by their parents, and then they can really play and learn some stuff. Like Judy here, tell me what she's doing.
Yeah, Judy is awesome, and she got to actually paint a pumpkin. So we can draw, we can do stickers, Julie to get the kids more involved in how they can decorate their pumpkins, not just cut into them.
And then certainly, tell me the other stuff, because there's other stuff for kids.
Yeah, so they can actually come and there's 3 different games that they can play, different things that you can do with each game, so it's more of a challenge too, which kids always like.
Right.
Then we have our game here on this side, which parents and kids can play, which is our bags game.
Oh, the beanbag
Yeah,
throwing.
the beanbag throwing. Yeah,
fun.
exactly. So and the kids can actually, be here while actually then the family can come and talk to me.
Well, because you also have, Farmington has a booth here, and you're not going to be selling plants, but what I think is even better, you're going to have employees here that can talk to people about what's happening in their gardens.
Yeah, exactly. With everything that we're showing behind us in my booth, we'll be able to give really good advice about what you can still do in the fall, because there's still a lot going on, so we don't want people to give up on their garden yet, because we have a lot still to do.
And besides, Farmington is a great nursery. It's a wonderful place to go.
Yeah, it really is. We have a lot of options to pick from there, and we also have classes. We have a lot going on, so definitely don't hesitate to come over and find out all the good things that are going on.
Well, we were delighted to see Kelsey and Farmington here at the show as well. So when you get here and you have your kids, you can certainly bring them over here. They can have all kinds of fun activities going on while you walk the show and see what's going on too. Thank you so much, Kelsey.
Thank you.